quick washes, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NWR Weather Radio and SAM alert systems. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central
Now we wait for GYX.
Wednesday, February 9th. This afternoon, partly sunny early.
Alrighty.
A chance of rain.
Did this pick it up? Oh, it did. Oh, it actually picked it up as a 15-minute event for once. Look at that. Alright, we'll do a little summary before GYX. And then we'll do it again when GYX tests. So, Sanjin got it. Max Digital's turned off. But 1250, 12250, and Sanjin got it. WR30 got it.
Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Becoming east wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 90%. Thursday, cloudy. Rain with possible freezing.
Finally got a test off of this baby. Look at that statement light.
Sleet and rain in the afternoon. Little or no additional sleet accumulation. Ice accumulation of up to 1/10 of an inch. Temperature shower. Lows 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 90%. Thursday night in the mid-30s. Monday night, snow likely. A chance of rain until midnight, then rain likely after midnight.
You saw the Pro 97 got it. 74-200 got it, as you can see. Just gotta open the keypad here. There we go. Channel 6. 400 got it. Cobra didn't get it.
South winds 5 to 10 miles.
So I'm wondering if the same code actually has to be 000. Alright, I guess WXL93 is fucking up. Wonderful.
To an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather
Okay.
for the latest weather information.
I'm gonna try a 000 for this one.
This NWR weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Oh my god.
This NWR weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the gigahertz from
Oh, WXL93, WXL93, what would we do without you? What would we do without them? I'm not even gonna ask. Anyways, our 1650C got it, his own guard got it. What the fuck is happening right now? 911 got it. 996 got it. Dude, like... Oh my god, bro, come on. Alright, anyways, 993 got it. As you can see, you could barely tell, but it did go off. Yeah, you could see it like scrolling, so it did get it. 519 got it.
Please tune to an alternate broadcast or temporarily off the air.
HH got it.
Please tune to an alternate Worldwide weather radio broadcast or winter weather advisory remains in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday.
Okay.
Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 2 inches. Ice accumulation.
Okay, I guess they got it back. Alright, so all those went off. 259 got it.
Impact. Portland was mostly sunny. The temperature was 37.
Okay, that was weird. WX150 got it. Menu, please. Thank you.
Low pressure will.
And 301 got it. Alright, now we just wait for GYX. Every radio appeared to have gone off except for the Cobra. I'm wondering if it's just because the same code for all is 00000 instead of 99999 or whatever. But we'll find out. I mean, it had reception, of course, so. And the same is on, as you can see, because the radio is flashing same on. And block off is, or block on is not being flashed, so it's not on tornado only, so I don't know. Alright, now we wait. As soon as I turn my camera off and everything. Okay.
This is a test of NWR radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming.